As you can see, the Sadarghat bridge and the river is overflowing. Nobody anticipated about the water levels to rise so much. And I'm from Silchar, that is in the southern Assam, along with my 2 children and my husband and the entire population of our city. We are underwater since Sunday evening. This has happened within a fraction of seconds when the whole city came underwater. This is our locality. So you can see the condition. All the shops are closed and people are selling food items outside. Market area, that is the Fatak Bazaar, it is closed. It is completely waterlogged. That is the reason people have come over to the main road and have start selling these items. Initially for the first 3 days we had shortage of raw materials, but later on it was they had managed, the administration has managed somehow outside states, and they are on a very high price. None of the vegetables are below 100 rupees, and also the Bisleri cans, 60 rupees Bisleri cans are being charged above 300 rupees. And there has been severe shortage of candles. Since the entire city was underwater, there was no electricity since 4 days. So in water everywhere, you can see only water. And when it was supplied yesterday, suddenly after half an hour it got disconnected due to short circuit in many areas. And we don't have sufficient drinking water. Yesterday we had to hire a generator to stock some water. And there is no network connectivity. Due to this, we are not able to contact the helpline numbers that has been supplied. We are helpless totally. I don't know for how long we have to continue seeing this. This is the condition of my parents' place. I've come here to meet them after 4 days with some raw materials for them and medicines, etc. See, in this scenario, it is not at all possible for them to come out. Believe me, we are living in hell. Unless and until we get any help from the government, it will not be possible for us to be in our normal life once again. People are managing from one place to other place via these small boats. My parents are elderly and they are very sick, so they won't be able to move out unless and until someone helps them. A month back, when we were hit by the flood, government didn't take any action in repairing the bunds and embankments. Incessant rains in the regions of Mizoram and Manipur and the poor drainage system, all these are responsible for the flood in our area right now. Whom to blame? Administration has failed in proving itself.